There are many tricks to make money without any work. But because of your misconception that working hard can only generate wealth, you are unable to make money and get rich. Well, in this video, I will tell you the 12 best passive income streams that will help you to earn money without a lot of effort and will also make you rich. Watch the video till the end or you may miss some important parts. Now let's start. 1. Make a course available online and sell it. Making an online lesson is a great way to make money without doing anything. You will have to work on making the course ahead of time, but there are a number of online learning tools that make it very easy to make and offer your course. One more benefit of taking online classes is that they can help you become known as an expert in your field. 2. Make an app. One of our best passive income ideas that people often miss is making an app. Building an app takes time and work at the beginning, just like making and selling online courses. You can sell your app in an app market for as long as you want after you make it. Also, you can make Alexa skills that people buy and use to make money. You need to know a bit about technology to make an app or skill, but if you do, you should try it. If you want to use this as a side job instead of a way to make passive income, try building apps for companies. There are app makers out there that make it ridiculously easy. You just need to be good at design. Do press the subscribe button and also the like button to know more financial tricks to get rich. 3. Let people rent out homes. You can make rental income by letting out things you're not using, like a whole house, a place you're not using, your parking spot, or even your tools. If you want to make renting out your homes a truly passive income, you may recruit a property manager to take care of the renters for you. If you rent out your car or extra room in your house or shed, you're not as inactive. However, it only takes a short time to handle, so we included those thoughts here. 4. Put out ebooks. If you know a lot about a certain subject, writing and releasing an ebook or other digital product on it can help you make a good passive income. Again, writing the ebook will take some time up front, but Kindle Direct Publishing makes it very simple to print, market, and sell your ebook. We love this idea for passive income because you don't need any money to start it. You just need to write your ebook, use a free tool to distribute it, and set the price. Even you can start making good money from your ebook right away if you only charge $1 or $2. 5. Invest your money. With so many apps out there, like Robinhood and Acorns, it's never been easier to spend. Stocks with high dividends, REITs, and bonds are all great ways to make passive income. You don't have to be afraid of the stock market. Come with me as I go over a few different ways you can make money by investing. You can start saving with little risk by buying bonds and CDs. But because the risk is low, the profit is also low. Right now, rates on CDs and bonds aren't very good. You might be better off putting your money in high-yield savings accounts instead. Index funds usually hold a mix of stocks and bonds for a certain market. They can be sold in 1 to 3 working days, but the quick sale comes with more risk. A stock can have a big dividend or a low yield. Stocks often have a higher possible return, but as with all purchases, that high return comes with a high risk. Short-term debt assets, like money market investment funds, tend to be pretty safe. They have low risk and low return, but they are also easy to get rid of. There are different ways to invest in real estate. To begin, getting a house is an investment in and of itself. You can also put money into REITs through an app like Fundrise. 6. Sell out stock photos. This is one of those ideas for silent income that needs some amount of work. But if you love taking pictures and are going to do it anyway, Why not make some money from it? Images and movies that you have taken can be sold on stock picture sites. For each sale, you will get some money. And because newer smartphone cameras take such great pictures, you don't even need a fancy DSLR to make pictures that sell. 7. Marketing with affiliates. Another great way to make money without putting in a lot of work is through affiliate marketing. Build a website about an area that interests you as a first step. To get people to visit your site, you should use SEO tools to find the right keywords. Now, look for partner marketing programs to join or check to see if names you already like have affiliate programs. You can start using your affiliate links in your content once you've picked an area, set up your website, and joined an affiliate marketing program. This way, you can earn fees on sales. You should probably keep your content up to date, but other than that, you can pretty much just let things run while you make extra money. 8. Lending between people. Peer-to-peer loans just means giving money to other people. You can do this with family or friends, or you can use a site like Lending Club to make it easy. People can get the money they need from you, and you'll get it back plus interest. 9. Trading in domain names. When you have a great idea for a domain name, you find out that someone else already has it and wants you to pay an outrageous amount of money to get it. A great way to make money without doing anything is to flip domain names. If you're clever and can think of great site names, go for it. Afterward, post the domain names you want to sell on a domain market and wait for someone to buy them. There are risks when you switch domain names. It's easy to get stuck with domain names that no one wants. Make sure you don't have too many tasks that you lose a lot of money every year on domain name expiration fees. 10. Put ads on your car. If you drive your car around a lot, you could put ads on it. Find an advertising company that does car ads as a first step. Most likely, they'll ask you where you drive along with how far you go. If one of their clients feels like you drive like them, they will put an ad on your car. This basically turns your car into a mobile billboard. All you have to do is drive around normally. 11. Bank ATMs or vending machines. Sometimes you might wonder who owns a vending machine or an ATM. You might be it. You can put an ATM in a place that you own or someone else's, in which case you'll have to split the earnings. You can buy or rent an ATM. You'll make money every time someone uses the ATM and pays a fee. You will need to put change in the ATM, but you can have a business or someone you know do that for you. 12. Watch movies and TV shows or play video games. Making money by watching movies or playing video games? It seems too good to be true, doesn't it? Some companies, like MyPoints and Inbox Dollars, will pay you to watch certain shows. If you like video games more, you can stream yourself playing the games you were going to play anyway on sites like Twitch or YouTube Gaming. This can help you become a leader in the gaming world. That's all for today. Now you know all the best passive income ideas that will make you rich in 2024. These are suggested by millionaires like Sir Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, and many others. Passive income is also sometimes called as side gigs or side jobs. This name is given because they help you can do these works parallel to your primary work. Once you start making money from at least 2 or 3 of these earning streams, no one would be able to stop you from getting rich. Like this way, you must diversify your income streams. Share this video with all of your friends, colleagues, and family members for them to learn. Comment below if you are having any doubts or queries. Press the subscribe button and also the like button. Watch videos daily on personal finance. Thanks for watching the video till here.